guys.
Hey.
It's Derek and Kelsey. We're on our way to Hayden Falls?
Hayden Run Falls,
which is a waterfall here in Columbus that we are suspecting is frozen over.
I don't think it's probably not frozen. The last 2 days it's been like 50 here, but I think it will look really sweet with the snow because it's like back in the woods. So we'll see how it goes. We thought it'd be cool to try to go get some good pictures. I was playing with the camera last night, which I haven't played with in a while, and it got me super pumped to take some pictures. So we'll see how it goes.
So we will bring you along for that. And then we're going to do Target and stuff later tonight, so we'll see.
Yep.
See you in a little bit.
See ya. Oh, this one's like that.
Look at all those icicles. That's crazy. Oh my god. This is absolutely incredible and beautiful. It's awesome. That was beautiful. Now my toes are frozen.
Yeah. My hand's frozen. But this is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. It is very cold and very frozen out here. But worth the trip, I think. Derek got some good pictures.
Yeah, they're decent.
They're good, they're cute. We'll have to put some in the video just for you to see. Now we're heading home.
Yep.
All right.
Hey guys, we are currently in Target. We are almost done and completely forgot to, excuse me, to vlog this. So we're picking it up now. I'll show you this cart in a minute.
Gotta go in here. Okay guys, sorry we were terrible about vlogging in Target and all of the shopping. I got a pair of shoes and a book. And Derek just is smoking up the kitchen making steak per usual. So we're watching Netflix and hanging out. Taking it easy this weekend. I think we're going to church tomorrow probably. Come say goodbye.
Hi.
I said to come say goodbye.
Look at my hair.
What is that hair doing? Alright, well, we're going to go back to relaxing. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it.
It's a terrible vlog.
It's a terrible vlog, but at least it's something. Maybe we'll sing you guys a song again soon, because that worked out well last time. Alright, bye.
Bye. Jeez.